Hi guys, Yuno here, and this is another simple project. Nowadays, you can find a lot of cell phone batteries or camera batteries that had been discarded and uh, still working. So I tried to modify this two 3 volts plus lights of mine, get rid of this disposable battery here, and change it into a 3.7 volt rechargeable battery from Canon camera, which had been discarded and still working. So what I did here is all you have to do is identify the positive and the negative, and then you solder it, 2 wires on the negative and 2 wires on the positive. It is because the 2 wires, one from positive and one from negative, you solder it here from the contact on the negative, which has been the negative side of the battery as before, and also you solder the positive side on the positive contact, and the other 2 lines, which is the positive and the negative, because this is a rechargeable battery, so you try and solder it in the male socket here, and now you can this is a 3.7 volt, so it's 3.7 volt and 1120 milliampere hour. So this is suitable for this, as long as you don't switch it on for straight 1 hour time, which the bulb might be busted, because the bulb is only capable of 3 volts. But on an intermittent use, you can use this kind of rechargeable battery, 3.7. And the good thing of this is that you can recharge it with a cell phone charger also. So that's a good idea, in which you will get rid of buying disposable C type batteries every time it drains its powers off. So here you have to just recharge it every time. So this is already been ready. It's just make sure the positive and the negative, okay, of the charger, and also of the rechargeable battery here. So this is now ready. I modify a hole there to accommodate this here, and you can just push it in there, and then later on we'll have to put super glue on that. Alright, so then I will arrange it now. This is on this side, that's no problem. Okay, and I put a little foam here just to hold it there, and then make it slide like this, and put a little tape here, right, so that it will stay in place. Okay, then just push down the extra wirings, and then put another foam here just to hold the battery in place, right? And then you can apply a super glue on this one, so that it will be Okay, it will be in place. So this is a simple project, but very beneficial to some people who likes to make a project for themselves. Okay, now that's ready. Now this battery had been charged already, so and you could slide it in. Okay, so then now you have a quite working battery here. See that? So every time it drains power, you can recharge it. This is a very good one. So this is a simple project which is very beneficial, especially for some places which is usually have some brownouts, or you can use it just for an uh, emergency flashlights, whatever you need it. Okay, so thanks for watching, and good day.